YouTube has forever been changed with a couple AI tools that will allow you to generate entire videos and potentially make tons of money on YouTube.
You must be thinking, Mosh, I'm here to make money for my business and I want to quit my 9-to-5 job. I'm not here for YouTube. Okay, take my promise. This video is all about business, money, and quitting your 9-to-5. And YouTube is a free platform that can make it happen. But there are tons of not so good information out there on the internet that makes you scared, gets you overwhelmed, and never take action. This video will help you a lot with its Saver framework. R is where all the money is, and if you don't watch this section, you're going to lose a lot of money. So let's go.
My name is Matt Parr. I run over 12 different channels on YouTube. I've made millions of dollars from the platform. And if you're watching this video right now, you're in the right place, because if you use the AI tools that I'm going to show you within this video.
Thanks, Matt, for the video. AI is not the future. It's the present. Let's jump back to our framework. S stands for select your niche. Probably the most boring topic. Every guru talks about it. Select a niche. To be honest, that is wrong. Back in 2010 when I started, I thought health niche was great. I can write a book on weight loss, only to find out I didn't know a single thing about weight loss, and I didn't have the license to talk about weight loss stuff. So selecting niche has to be wise, and it must have a reason why you're selecting a niche. In our case, it is revenue per million. In this video, Matt showed a software called TubeMagic that can automate certain stuff. But before you go there, TubeMagic is $41 per month. If you haven't made your first dollar yet, I don't recommend you spend a single penny on this kind of software. You don't even need it right now. You need to make $410 a month first, then pay $41 from your income. I hope that makes sense. But let's see what Matt has to say.
You go to TubeMagic and you click on Ideation, you can go down to this tool right here called the Niche Explorer. This will show you a bunch of different niches in every category that you can possibly imagine, along with example channels within those niches and the approximate RPMs.
So Matt is recommending using TubeMagic to find out RPM. You don't need that, bro. Go to Google and search for which are high RPM niche or niches. It will give you tons of results. One of them is from another software called TubeBuddy. Now, for many years, I have personally used TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is awesome. It works exactly as TubeMagic. But here's the secret. In order to help their users and increase retention, these softwares keep publishing valuable content that help their users. So try to follow these kind of softwares, blogs and publications. That is why I'm taking this article more seriously. And I can see the highest RPM list is right here. I don't need to pay $41 a month to find a niche. Okay, the top niches are making money online, digital marketing, personal finance, educational, tech, cars, and gadgets. Tell me, do you like any of this? Maybe yes, maybe no. So here is another factor for you to like a niche, whether you like it or not, because you are going to own the YouTube channel and you are the one who will have to make videos on regular basis. If you don't like that niche, you won't be able to continue. Am I right? So do a little research and choose wisely. A software is not going to help. Another reason for choosing a niche based on your like. Let's say you figured that make money online niche is the top paying niche. You can make most amount of money by publishing content in this niche. Now you might be thinking, you haven't figured out how to make money online yet. How can you teach others how to make money online? Isn't this a valid question? For most people, yes it is. For some smart people, instead of teaching how to make money online, they teach what tools you can use to make money online that doesn't need any proof. But end of the day, it's your decision. So it's important whether you like the niche or not. So choose a niche, like it, love it, and stay with it. Okay guys, if you want to know how we use AI and earn 5 to 6 figures a month, and our beginner students earn high ticket affiliate commissions, how over 2,000 affiliates made $2.6 million in affiliate commissions from promoting my products, then there is a free video training. The link is in the description of my YouTube video. Go check this out. It's completely beginner friendly and it's 99% done for you. You will love it. By the way, guys, have you liked this video yet? No? Why not? Come on, give me a like. I'm helping you. And by the end of this video, you will already learn how to make money using YouTube. Go ahead, give us a like. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and switch on the notification bell button so you get notified when I upload my next video. The next step is automate video ideas. If you love your niche, you will have a lot of ideas. If you don't know about your niche, you can still have ideas. And here is how. Step number 1, find a top channel in your niche just by searching on YouTube.
Then is take the link of this channel, the handle of it, which is Scary Harry right there, right click, copy that, and then head back over to TubeMagic, go to Ideation, and then go to the Video Ideas tool right here, paste in the channel handle, and click Generate. This is going to scan this entire channel and then give us an idea like this one right here.
Okay, thanks, Matt, for this idea. Yeah, AI is interesting. Clicking these softwares is like playing games. If you want, go ahead, do it. I don't have time for it. So here's what I do. Let's say you want to model or you want to take idea from Matt's video channel. Go to his channel and select the videos tab. Guys, do it manually. It will take 5 minutes more of your time, but it will give you real results. This kind of automated summary will not help. Now look at the videos. Now under the latest tab, look at the views versus time. I'll give you an example. This video got 213,000 views in 2 months. And this video got 28,000 views in 3 months. Which one will you choose as a better idea or a better topic of making video in this niche? Definitely the one that got more views in less time. Similarly, scan the account and look for similar results. For example, this one, 100,000 views in 3 months, where this video got 65,000 views in 4 months. Of course, you will choose this one to take idea from. Now do the same for a couple of channels. Make a spreadsheet and build a content planner like this. Just save the links of the videos, the number of views and how old they are. And based on that, you make a priority which video you want to model, which topic you want to cover at first. No software, no AI needed, guys. Boring is better. You remember I told you, if you don't watch this step, you're gonna lose money, and in fact, you're gonna lose a tons of time, and you will be disappointed with the summary that AI gives you. Number 3 is video script generation. You have selected the topic you want to make video about. Now,
This idea, we need a script for this video. So I'm going to copy that, go back to TubeMagic, and go to the scripting tab. We actually have a video script tool built in with tons of different script templates. So we have general scripts, short scripts if you're doing YouTube shorts.
Okay, you got the idea. Matt keeps on insisting that you need to use that software. That's okay, you can if you want. But I recommend using ChatGPT. It's $20 a month, and you can have literally unlimited access to the whole AI. Google Gemini is pretty much free. We have written tons of 8,000 to 10,000 words sales copy using ChatGPT. And from this page that you are looking at, we made $22,000 from this website. For idea generation, you don't need these fancy softwares. You need to analyze other people's videos, modify, add your own twist, improve those content, or even review or react on those content, and your unique, powerful money-making video will be ready in no time. The next step is edit and enhance your videos. Now, to be honest, I should say, never edit again when you use AI, because nowadays the softwares are so great, they do the editing for you. And Matt is talking about the sponsor of today's
video. Now, in-video AI is absolutely amazing due to the fact that you don't even need to use TubeMagic Scriptwriter if you don't want to. In fact, you can literally give in-video AI a topic, like for example, the title of today's video, which is 10 hidden cheap countries to retire easily, and then head on over to in-video AI, paste in the topic, click generate a video, it'll write a script, it'll do a voiceover, it'll literally do the entire thing for you for generating your video.
That's true. In-video is awesome. Almost every influencer are promoting it because they're paying them hefty commission. But you, my friend, you're a beginner, you're a business owner, and maybe a 9-to-5er, you want to save your cost. Does it look like cheap to you? I mean, yeah, $20 per month sounds good, but it will only give you 50 minutes per month of AI generation. For a 10-minute video, it's just 5 videos. That's not enough. Even for $48 per month, you'll get 200 minutes per month of AI generation, which is like 20 videos. You need far more. The solution is, instead of spending money on monthly recurring SaaS applications, get something for one-time price in the beginning. And I will leave a link in the description. Go get that software. It will do the same, if not better than InVideo, but at a one-time price. Then when you start making money, you can invest on InVideo or OutVideo or wherever you want. To be honest, I still don't use InVideo. I personally recommend Content Reel. Link to this software is below this video in the description. This is how their website looks like. Go through and check their features and benefits. And once you are ready, click any of these buttons or this buy now button on the top right corner, make the one-time payment and get your access. They have explained why videos are so important now, how videos are growing, basically the same thing that Matt has done. And in fact, I am also doing. This is how the software looks like, some testimonials of users, and you can see a complete demo as well. Here are some videos made by the software. Who this is for? Literally for everyone. Anyone can use it. Every single step, how to use the software in text and visual format. Some more examples and descriptions and clarifications, multiple languages. You can create HD videos and you have full royalty rights of the videos you create with it. That means they can be used commercially. You can use it for yourself or make for your clients and charge money for your work. And there are some juicy bonuses. Special premium bonus 1, 2, 3. And there are some fast action bonuses. As long as they're on this page, they're still available. And they have a 14 days money back guarantee. So your investment is safe. There are two options, $35 and $39 when I'm making this video. Price may rise. I won't have control over it. So if you are interested, go get it right now from the link in the description. And the next step is R. R stands for revenue, right? No. R stands for release and optimize. On YouTube, you need thumbnail and description for each video. We'll come back to thumbnail later. Let's start with description. And
here, but what we're going to be using is the warp upload. And if we click this, then we can input any video URL similar to the video we're going to be uploading. So for example, if we go back here to Scary Harry and we look for 10 easiest countries to retire comfortably, since this will be a similar video, we're going to copy this URL, go back over to TubeMagic, paste that into the warp upload, and click generate. From here, it's going to scan through the video and it's going to scan through everything that's said in the video. It's going to literally index the whole thing about what the video is about and so forth. It's going to give us an optimized description with keywords in it, and it's going to even give us a great...
Okay, we got it, but I find it totally unnecessary. Before making this video, I completely analyzed Matt's video using my custom GPT, which is created on ChatGPT. This custom GPT asked me for the link and the transcript of the video. I just put it here, one click, and look at this. I got a standard operating procedure of the business model, interesting lines for my audience, a short video script, and everything is completely unique. SWOT analysis and article, and prompts for AI images that I can use with the article. Now, if I ask for a description for another similar video, it will write for me. I ask for title, it will write for me. I do not need to pay for another additional software while I'm not making money yet. Am I right, guys? So yes, use ChatGPT. It will give you more opportunities to do everything else at a very low cost. The thumbnail of the video that I'm using as the model. So if I'm following this video or modeling this video, I'll try to make something similar to that. Definitely not exact same, but similar. Sorry, Matt, I mentioned not exactly same, but similar. Canva has tons and tons of options. If you don't want to use the paid version, no worries. You can find some other software that can do the same at a one-time price. And if you are completely non-techie or you think that you can't do it anyway, just go to Fiverr.com and find people with top rating, serving thousands of people, and get it done by them. Thumbnails are extremely important. So even if you spend time or money on them, it's 100% worth it. Now you must be asking, Mosh, where is the money? The money is in the ad revenue. YouTube runs ads into your videos, and when they earn money, they share a percentage with you. Social Blade is a platform where you can research on approximate stats and revenues of YouTube channels. And it seems Matt's YouTube channel earns approximately $176 to $2,800 monthly, and from $2,000 to approximately $33,000 yearly from ad revenue. But that came from tons and tons of quality videos, and after 749,000 followers. That's very close to 1 million followers. Long story short, ad revenue is not a good money. In most countries, it's not going to be a job replacing income very soon. For us, every viewer is a potential visitor, and every visitor is a potential buyer. And we sell digital products. Here is the stats. From this Warrior Plus account, we made $456,000. And from every visitor we get to our automated funnel, we make approximately $4 per visitor. This is not for clicking or visiting our website. This is when they purchase, and that is an average number. But these numbers are predictable. Look at this. One of the offers is making $5.98 per visitor, another one $8.30, another one $7, another one $5. That's predictable income. Ad revenue is not predictable. So we do affiliate marketing, we sell our own digital products, we earn recurring revenue like monthly salary by selling software subscription or membership site access, or we promote other people's products as affiliates. And of course, we do high ticket affiliate marketing, means we sell high price product like courses, masterminds, and together we made tons of money. These are the results of our affiliates. Over 2,000 affiliates earned a total $2.6 million. That's what we paid them. And tons of affiliates made 6 figures. A lot of affiliates made 5 figures and 4 figures. And our beginner students are earning high ticket affiliate commissions using our system. To learn more about how it's happening, check the link in the description for a free training. And at the end of the training, you will learn about our program. And if you want to learn how to make $250 in one day without pretty much any skill, then watch this video. And if you want to learn how to use Pinterest and earn $13,000 a month, then watch this video. And as always, guys, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, switch on the notification bell button. And if you think it's really good, I was sincere and honest, then do me a favor, share with your friends and family. That will mean a lot. Thank you, and see you in the next training.